Hi traders, welcome to the tradingmentors.com. It's just a very quick video. The markets across the board, the forex markets are pretty much doing nothing, but I will have a quick look around. But I want to talk about gold in particular. This is the Gold Apex trading system. Now you can use any kind of super trend if you like. These are special settings, but you can use a super trend on the 5 here, and then you can use a super trend on the 2-minute chart here. Very simple, very effective. This is very special. Okay, special settings, but you can use any MACD that you prefer. So here we can see a few opportunities here. Look at this move here. I'll put this in the signals room today, and a beautiful move, over 661 pips. A beautiful move there. There's 180 pips there. There's, what is that? 543 pips. So the best way to deal with this is to actually open the position on the buy here, of course, buy signal. Despite the low volumes coming into the market, we did trade it at 41.55, somewhere around that. And you can, of course, we'd had a target of 41.80 here, but if you prefer to hold it, if you've got the software special settings, then you can, of course. And a similar situation here, you can hold it, and then just move your stop accordingly if you're a day trader and you have the time to do it. Now what's happening at the moment, we can see that the price has fallen from the top of here, and look at the signal here, and look at the signal here. So that's the situation we're in now, and I think probably we're going to take the profits off as it's pretty quiet. We might get another buy signal shortly, so we're making money, so it's all right. Not much, but nonetheless, just going to leave it a few more minutes. We'll have a look around at the markets just quickly. So this is the Gold Apex trading system. If you want it, let me know, just message me and we'll get you going and get these special settings up and running for you. But you don't have to do that. You can just use a couple of super trends and use it that way. So let's see what's going on across the board here. Let's start with the DXY, shall we? Of course, it is going nowhere. Of course, we're waiting for the non-farm payroll, aren't we? So here we can see a nice W pattern actually with a buy power 61. This is highly significant, and the price is highly likely to get a stronger dollar, which ordinarily means that gold goes down. Let's see. The correlation in gold and dollar is not happening at the moment. Euro dollar. This is the quant flow dynamic software. So there's various trading systems that we have. We have lots actually. I'll show you these. These are the scripts that we have. Okay, so these you can, once you've got them, you just add them to the chart. Symbols. What we're seeing with the euro dollar, we've got a sell potential here, but I'm not trading any dollars before Friday non-farm payroll. It doesn't make much sense to me. Oh, I am actually. I'm short the US Swiss. I'll show you that in a minute. But we can see here we've got this going on. So I think the price is going to come down into this area, kind of area. Might not come down that far. We'll have to see on Friday. Just flick through. We've got a buy on pound USD. None of these positions are pulling back in any shape or form, because we often wait for pullbacks, waiting for a pullback on the New Zealand into this area. Not happening yet. Again, patience is a great thing to have. Sell on the US yen, as I mentioned a few days ago, invalidation area of 160.93. Target is 150.88. Trade at your own risk. Now we have a short position on US Swiss, as you can see. I think we'll see how this goes. We might just take the money off the table before Friday. We'll see how far it's gone. It's not going anywhere at the moment. We've got a target right down here somewhere. So this implies that weaker dollar is expected on Friday. Nothing happened with the yens. They're sort of pulling up, but not with any significance. Aussie yen is looking significant, coming up into this area here. Pound yen, we've gone short this. Just doing the calculations here. So we need to put our stop up here, don't we? So what's likely to happen, if it doesn't roll over in the next couple of days, you're likely to see a push up into this area where there's 100% resistance. This is where the orders are. Coming up like that into resistance, and then down it goes into this area here. Already had a sell up here. Now silver's interesting. It's coming up into a sell zone, negative divergence, sell power of 68. So silver looks like it wants to come back down into this area here, 100% support here. See that? 58.69 is the target to aim for, where we're looking to buy back into silver. Now oil's interesting. We've got a sell on that there. A lot of resistance, as we can see. But I am interested in this at this zone here. Can you see this? Buy power of 67, very strong on oil. So I'm going to actually, with this system, you can actually change the risk. We've got 3 times. So if we change this to 2 times risk, it gives us a better opportunity to bank our profits at the right zone. So we can do that. Oh, there, that's beautiful. So we can actually see that's a far better target here at $69.89, where you're likely to see a major price bounce potentially. We need to wait until it gets there, obviously, before we actually make any decisions. But nonetheless, we're likely to see a bounce by power of 67, very strong. So look out for that. The DAX has gone up, didn't get the pullback. Aussie 200 didn't get the pullback. This is beautiful though. If you got into here, look for the price to come into the golden zone. And these are areas of very high interest, because all you do is wait for the price to move above the 20 moving average. Euro Canadian, I've got a negative here. Oh yeah, there we go. So Euro Canadian, as expected, has been rejected here. So we'll be going in short this. But all the markets are waiting for NFP this week. So again, you're going to find that a lot of the markets will just hold him back. The institutions are not really loading up any big positions, despite gold going up. China must be filling their boots, as they say. So there we go. So nothing really going on to talk about. Short silver, short the pound yen, short US Swiss, and short the gold. Right, so we're out of gold. Small loss there. Buy gold. Two times. Good enough, isn't it? So how we manage this now is we simply just wait. It's a 2-minute chart. You just wait 10 minutes and see what's happening, and then you can move your stop like this along the way, or you can go with the big one. So in other words, you can go 3 times if you like on the gold Apex trading system. We got 3 targets here: 42.51, 42.58, and 42.65. So you could put 3 positions on if you want to for that scalp there. So have a wonderful day, and if there's nothing going on, then I'll be updating you after the 1:30 NFP data on Friday.